amending ordinance number SP 2889, series of 2019, its implementing rules and regulations and other pertinent laws.
Any comment from the members of the committee?
Madam Chair, above that we recognize first the Punong Barangay.
May we recognize the barangay to please briefly explain the motion.
Si Punong Barangay, dari Batang Barangay sa Kapatid. Kasama ko po ang aking secretary, ang maganda ko secretary Janet. Good morning po sa inyo lahat.
So, basta kanyo.
Nalilang po, first item is the revenue ordinance.
One minute recess on that chair.
Recess.
Hindi. Ano ba? Para revenue ordinance? Okay, resolve, Madam Chair. Would like to inquire from the Punong Barangay kung nagkandak po kayo ng public consultation regarding the barangay revenue ordinance.
Well, sinama na kasi namin pero dito sa magkaroon kami ng general assembly.
Kaya nga,
Sinama ko na eh.
did you submit copy of the attendance, minutes?
Yes.
Saan yung pinigay?
Hindi namin isama attorney, pero rule to be follow na lang to sa next hearing.
Kapitan, hindi po pwede to follow eh. Dapat automatic po yung secretary na pag halimbawa nag-submit kayo ng barangay revenue ordinance, you have to submit also the document supporting the barangay. Kasi unfair naman sa mga ibang mga barangays that we will allow you na ituloy yung discussion ng inyong barangay revenue ordinance without the documents, no? Showing that a public consultation was conducted. Requirements po kasi para hindi ho naman tayo masilip ng ibang mga barangays kasi naging requirements po natin. Bakit nga po, Secretary, at hindi po nyo na-submit dito?
Sir, I was not aware of that. Kasi po, una, I submitted this na in good faith, okay na yon dahil in the past naman, hindi nasabi sa akin po, sorry po, talaga. If we may ask, defer mo na po.
1 minute recess, Madam Chair. We require the presence of the barangay secretary. Kasi every time na may problema sa isang ordinance resolution, ang sabi barangay secretary may kasalanan. Di po ba? Okay? So kailangan naman talaga natin na andun yung barangay secretary para walang dahilan kung bakit hindi nasubmit. Kagaya ngayon nito. Palagay ko naman meron kayong asosasyon ng barangay secretary, nag-uusap-usap kayo, 'di ba, sa District 3? Ba't hindi ko alam 'yun? Barangay treasurer, what to do, ganyan po, di po ba? So Kap, kailan nyo po masasubmit po yun?
Next meeting.
Kasi Merkulis naman po ngayon.